It's ultrasound day and anatomy scan. We're here at the appointment, waiting to go in. Super nervous. Daddy's guess is?
Team Blue.
Mommy's guess is? I don't know.
Team Yellow.
Right now we have Team Blue is up 15. So I don't know whether to believe them or to think the same as last time. Everybody voted Team Blue and it was a girl. So we shall see. I'm drinking ski and my water, so hopefully my bladder's full. Can't wait to see baby Aaha, know that baby Aaha is growing healthy and strong, and find out the gender. Do you want to know what baby Aaha is? Are you going to get a brother or a sister?
Brother.
A brother? Yeah? Okay, open and see if it's pink or blue. Take the lid off. It's blue! Are you excited? You're going to get a baby brother. Baby Aaha is a boy. One, two, three.
It's blue! It's blue! It's blue! Congratulations!
Claire, what are you having? A baby what?
What's baby Aaha?